My red car is very, very dirty. It has mud from the weekend trip. Dust covers the windows and the roof. I drive to the self-service car wash. It is a sunny morning, perfect for cleaning. I park my car in a clean bay. The bay has a concrete floor and yellow walls. I look at my car and shake my head. This will take some hard work to clean. I see a large coin machine on the wall. It accepts dollar bills and silver coins. I take out my wallet from my pocket. I have $5 in small quarters here. This should be enough for a good wash. I push the coins into the slot very carefully. The machine makes a loud clicking sound. A digital screen shows the remaining time. I have 10 minutes to wash my entire car. I must be very fast and very efficient. I grab the heavy spray gun from the hook. It feels cold and strong in my hands. The water hose is thick and very long. I want my car to shine like a diamond. I look at the buttons on the control panel. There are options for soap, rinse, and wax. I choose the pre-soak option for heavy dirt. The clock starts ticking down the minutes. I am ready to begin my important task. A clean car makes me feel very happy. Let the washing adventure truly begin. I look at the control panel very carefully. There are 6 big colorful buttons here. Each button has a clear picture on it. One button shows white thick soap bubbles. Another button shows clear falling water drops. A third button shows shiny blue liquid wax. I need to choose the steps in the right order. First, I must apply a heavy layer of soap. Then, I will rinse all the dirt away. After that, a protective wax coat is good. I press the pre-soak button with my finger. The spray gun starts to make a soft hum. Water mixed with a special liquid comes out. It wets the entire surface of my red car. This helps to loosen all the dry mud. I spray the roof, the hood, and the doors. I even spray the tired wheels and bumpers. The dirty water runs down onto the concrete floor. My car looks even dirtier with the wet dust. But this is the first step to proper cleaning. The timer counts down the precious seconds. I must hurry to get everything completely wet. I move the spray gun from top to bottom. I ensure every part receives a good pre-soak. The car smells a little bit like wet earth. I press the next button for the thick soap. This stage will produce many white bubbles. I am excited to see the mud disappear soon. My hands feel strong holding the heavy gun. The cleaning process is going very well so far. I press the wash soap button firmly. Thick white foam comes out of the spray gun. It looks like a giant, soft white cloud. I spray the white foam all over my red car. The mud and dust disappear under the bubbles. I start from the roof, moving down to the wheels. The foam sticks to the car's dirty surface. I cover every single part of the vehicle. The windshield is entirely white with the foam. I cannot see anything through the soapy glass. I carefully spray around the side mirrors. The chrome parts shine even under the foam. I enjoy seeing the dirt melt away slowly. The powerful spray removes stuck-on grime very well. I concentrate on the lower parts of the doors. That area always gathers the most mud and dirt. The foam smells fresh, like clean lemon soap. I am having fun washing my own car today. This is much better than waiting in a long line. I control the water pressure with my thumb. The foam gun makes a satisfying hissing sound. I ensure no spot remains untouched by the bubbles. The entire car turns into a giant white sponge. I'm almost out of time for the soap phase. The timer shows only 1 minute left for me. I spray the last areas very quickly and carefully. My hands are a little bit wet from the foam, but my car is completely covered in cleaning suds. I press the rinse button for the next step. The car will be clean after this stage is finished.
Tell me why you want to learn English. The 3 most interesting comments will get 10 English lessons absolutely free.
I press the rinse button firmly. Clear, powerful water sprays from the nozzle. It washes away all the thick white foam. The mud and bubbles run down the car quickly. My car's red. Paint starts to show through. It looks very bright and very shiny now. I rinse the roof first, then the front hood. The water pressure is strong, cleaning very well. I ensure no white foam remains on the windows. Water drips from the car, making small puddles. I see the clean black tires and shiny rims. The dirt has completely disappeared from my car. I move the spray gun in circular motions. This helps to remove any lingering soap residue. The sun reflects brightly off the wet car. It looks like a brand new vehicle in the bay. I am very proud of my careful hard work. The water sounds like a fast, small river. I feel the cool spray on my yellow raincoat. I am careful not to get my shoes wet. The car wash makes a joyful loud noise. I check every side for any remaining spots. Everything looks perfectly clean and very spotless. The timer has only 2 minutes left for me. I must move quickly to the final stage. I make sure the mirrors are very clean too. The taillights sparkle under the powerful water stream. My red car is almost finished with its bath. I press the wax button for the final step. This will protect the paint from new dirt. I press the wax button on the panel. A blue, shiny liquid sprays from the nozzle. It covers the clean red car very evenly. This is a special protective layer for the paint. The wax makes the car look even more shiny. It helps water to roll off easily later. I spray the wax over every painted surface. The roof, the hood, the doors, and the trunk. I ensure a thin, consistent coat covers everything. The blue liquid has a pleasant, sweet smell. It feels like polishing a beautiful red apple. The wax makes the car's color look much deeper. I see my reflection clearly on the wax surface. This step adds a professional finishing touch. I want my car to stay clean for many days. The wax protects against dust and rain spots. I move the spray gun slowly and very steadily. I do not want to miss any important areas. The timer shows my time is running out fast. I quickly cover the side panels and wheel wells. This last stage always feels very satisfying. My red car will truly sparkle on the road. The blue wax creates a thin, clear film. I finish spraying the last part of the car. The car looks incredibly bright and very reflective. I turn off the spray gun and hang it up. My washing time is completely over today. I step back to admire my hard work. The car is gleaming under the bright sunshine. The wax application was a perfect final step. My red car is perfectly clean and very shiny. It looks brand new, just like from the factory. All the mud and dust are completely gone. The windows are crystal clear, reflecting the sky. I take a soft, dry cloth from my bag. I gently wipe any remaining water drops. This prevents water spots from drying on paint. I start from the roof, working down carefully. The cloth slides smoothly over the wax surface. The red color looks deep and very vibrant. I clean the side mirrors until they sparkle. My reflection smiles back at me from the glass. I also wipe the wheels and shiny chrome rims. Every detail is now perfectly clean and neat. I feel a great sense of achievement and pride. The self-service car wash was a great success. I put the dry cloth back into my bag. I walk around the car, checking every angle. It looks absolutely fantastic from every side. Other people look at my clean, bright car. I open the car door and get inside. The interior still needs some cleaning later, but the outside looks simply amazing today. I start the engine. It purrs contentedly. I drive out of the bay very slowly. The clean car feels lighter and faster somehow. The sun makes the red paint glow brightly. I will enjoy driving my sparkling vehicle. This was a very productive and rewarding morning. My car cleaning mission is complete and successful.